Ever had that one gun you always meant to buy, but by the time you got around it, you found out that it was gone? Probably because the price shot through the roof, stores ran out, and suddenly it was a collector's item? Well, it's happening again because firearms don't last forever. Manufacturers cut models, shift focus, and quietly pull the plug when something isn't selling. And that's exactly what's happening to the 7 handguns we're about to show you. Some are outdated, some aren't making enough money, and others are just victims of changing trends. And one thing's for sure, if you wait too long, you'll be paying triple for them. You know how this goes. You think you have time, you put off buying that pistol you wanted, and then boom, it's discontinued and prices explode overnight. The guns on this list aren't officially dead yet, but they're on life support. If you've ever thought about grabbing one of these, don't wait until they're gone, or worse, until you're paying 3 times the price on the resale market. Let's get you something nice to put your money on. You know a gun is in trouble when its own manufacturer starts ignoring it. That's exactly what's happening with the Beretta PX4 Storm. It was solid when it launched, but the truth must be told, and the truth is, people aren't buying DASA pistols anymore. Everyone wants striker-fired modular designs, and Beretta is now putting all of its energy into the APX A1 series. The current price for the PX4 Storm is around $550 to $700. Stocks are drying up, and that usually means prices are about to spike. You want yourself a PX4? Well, then you better start hunting one down, because Beretta sure isn't pushing them anymore. This gun should still be a hit because it's lightweight, ultra reliable, and features a smooth DASA trigger system. But the market has spoken, and striker-fired pistols have completely taken over. Guns like Glock 19, SIG P320, and even Beretta's own APX A1 are dominating, leaving the PX4 Storm struggling to find buyers. It's not that it's a bad gun, it's just not what people want anymore. Beretta has already shifted its focus to more modern designs, and if you've been thinking about getting a PX4 Storm for yourself, now's the time. It's only going to get harder to find, and when it's gone, it's gone. Ruger's GP100 is a tank, no question. But in 10mm, that's where things get weird. The majority of revolver lovers stick to .357 or .44 Magnum, and 10mm fans, they're buying semi-autos like the Glock 20 or SIG P320 X10. That leaves the 10mm GP100 stuck in limbo, and Ruger doesn't keep slow sellers around for long. This model is currently struggling to find an audience. On top of that, revolver shooters aren't in love with moon clips, which are required for 10mm models. The demand just isn't there, and when that happens, Ruger has a habit of quietly discontinuing models that don't sell well. If you're looking for a revolver with semi-auto ballistics and a tank-like build, the GP100 in 10mm is your chance before it disappears. And trust me, once it's gone, it'll be a lot more expensive on the resale market. So if you want this unicorn, grab it before it vanishes. With a price tag around $850 to $1,000, the gun is still fairly affordable, but that won't last once production stops. The CZ97B was always a niche pistol, an all-steel 45 ACP beast that wasn't a 1911, and while it did have a hardcore fan base, the reality is simple. 9mm rules the world now. CZ already stopped selling it in some countries, and it's only a matter of time before it disappears completely. Currently priced up to $1,300, prices are rising fast as availability dries up. It's big, it's heavy, and it's already halfway out the door. The CZ97B is another one that's slowly fading away, and honestly, it's a real shame. It's a beautifully crafted powerhouse, but it was always fighting an uphill battle. The handgun world has shifted to lighter polymer-framed pistols, and while the CZ97B is an incredible shooter, no doubt, it's simply too big, too heavy, and too niche down to survive in today's market. If you've ever wanted a CZ-built 45 ACP that's not a 1911, don't hesitate, because in a few years, this gun will be a collector's piece. If you've ever wanted one, don't sleep on it. SIG produced a legend with pure class, beautiful trigger, insane accuracy, and that DASE magic, the P229 Legion. But here's the problem. It has a premium price tag ranging from $1,300 to $1,600, and very rarely do people buy DASE pistols nowadays. SIG's focus is now on the P320 and P365 series, which means guns like the P229 are living on borrowed time. If there is one gun on this list that represents the decline of DASE pistols, it's the Sauer P229 Legion. This thing is well built, has an amazing trigger, and screams quality, but the problem is nobody wants DASE guns anymore. SIG certainly knows it, and that's why they're shifting their focus to the P320 series. It's just simply what's selling. The P229 Legion is expensive, sitting in the $1,600 range, and when people can get a top-tier striker gun for half the price, it's a tough sell. That said, if you appreciate old-school craftsmanship, metal framed, and the smoothest DASE action on the market, you're gonna regret not buying one when they're still available. And while SIG won't just kill the Legion overnight, don't expect these to stay in production forever. A full-size tactical pistol with a threaded barrel, optics-ready slide, and suppressor height sight sounds awesome, right? But the market isn't buying them because compact carry guns dominate sales now, and FN is shifting towards those models instead. The 509 Tactical is fantastic, but its days are unfortunately numbered. If you want a big badass pistol with all the bells and whistles, don't wait up. With a price tag around $950 to $1,200, the FN 509 Tactical full size is facing almost the same problem as the SIG P229 Legion, and it's that people don't want full-size tactical pistols like they used to. Instead, they're looking for compact, concealable, and optics-ready models. FN has noticed this trend, which is why they're pushing the FN 509 Compact and MRD-ready versions over this full-size model. It's not that the 509 Tactical isn't a great gun, but like I said, it's just not what people are buying right now. If you want a battle-ready FN pistol that can handle everything, grab one before they phase out completely. Discounts are popping up, which usually means a quiet exit is coming soon. The Springfield XD was a huge hit when it first launched, but times have changed. The XDM Elite and Hellcat series have made the original XD look outdated, and Springfield certainly knows that. They're not outright saying that the XD is done, but let's be honest, if you were Springfield, would you keep making an older model when the new ones are crushing it? The XD was once a massive success, but at this point, it's been completely overshadowed by the newer XDM Elite and Hellcat series. Shooters today want optics-ready, modernized pistols with better triggers and improved designs, and the original XD just can't keep up. Springfield also knows this, and while they haven't officially discontinued the OG XD yet, it's only a matter of time before they quietly phase it out. If you're nostalgic for this gun, or just want a reliable polymer workhorse, you might want to act fast, because soon you'll only see them in used gun cases at higher prices. Currently priced from $400 to $550, the gun is cheap now, but once it's discontinued, prices could go either way. I'm mostly concerned about the Taurus G3C, which has been one of the best-selling budget pistols out there. Taurus has been pushing the GX4 hard, and rumors are swirling about an upcoming G4 series. That means the G3C's future isn't looking too bright. With a current price ranging from as low as $250 to $350, the Taurus G3C is a gun that's simply being outpaced by newer, better options. Taurus has been stepping up its game lately, and with the GX4 and other upcoming models taking center stage, the G3C is starting to feel outdated. The budget concealed carry market has changed, and buyers today want optics-ready options, better triggers, and smaller, more concealable guns. Taurus is aware of this shift, and while the G3C is still around, it's losing its place in their lineup. If you want a tough, budget-friendly carry gun that's been proven in the real world, this is your window to grab one before they quietly disappear. Don't be surprised if it becomes a must-have when it's gone, because Taurus doesn't keep older models around forever, and with optics-ready CCW pistols taking over, the G3C might not have much time left. Don't wait until it's too late to purchase one or two hot yet fading handguns. Share your thoughts with us in the comments section below, and we'll be happy to engage. If you want to stay ahead of the game on all things firearms, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications for all of our videos. We have lots of amazing content lined up for you already, so make sure you check them out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.